Have you ever wondered if a slimmer phone could actually change the way we see smartphones? Apple is about to test that idea with the rumored iPhone 17 Air. According to well known Apple expert Mark Gurman, the new model is going to be an exciting addition, but it may not break any sales records. In his Power on newsletter, Gurman shared that while the iPhone 17 Air will definitely catch some attention, most buyers will likely still choose the Pro models over it. This is not the first time Apple has faced this situation. Over the years, the company has had trouble getting people excited about having a fourth option in the main iPhone lineup. Usually, the base iPhone sells because it's the most affordable. The Pro version sells because it offers the best features. The Pro Max wins because of its larger screen size, but the fourth model always seems to be the one people forget about. Think back to when Apple launched the iPhone mini. Although many people now say they miss it when it was actually available, it was the worst selling model. After that, Apple tried again with the iPhone Plus. It replaced the Mini, but also failed to become popular. Now, Apple is trying a new direction with the iPhone 17 Air. Instead of focusing on size or price, the iPhone 17 Air will be all about being stylish and extremely slim. Early leaks suggest that it will be much thinner than the current smartphones we have today. However, it's expected to be priced higher than the Plus model it's replacing. Apple seems confident that a sleek, elegant design will attract enough buyers, even if it costs a bit more. Honestly, making a super slim iPhone might be the smartest move Apple has made for the fourth model so far. A really thin, premium-looking phone could turn heads and bring something fresh to a market that often feels like it's just repeating itself. Still, even with this new idea, Gervin believes that the Air will not sell as much as the Pro or Pro Max models. He predicts it will perform better than the Mini and Plus ever did, but it will likely stay behind a Pro series in overall popularity. Meanwhile, it's not just Apple thinking about thinner phones. Samsung, one of Apple's biggest competitors, is working on something similar. They're expected to launch the Galaxy S25 Edge later this year, and it's also going to be extremely slim. If everything goes according to their schedule, Samsung might even beat Apple to the market with their thin device. Both companies clearly believe that people are interested in slimmer smartphones, but there's still a big question. Will buyers actually choose thin phones if it means sacrificing other important things like battery life? Making a phone slimmer often means there is less space for a large battery, and no one wants a phone that looks amazing but struggles to last an entire day. In the future, the real success of these thin models might depend on new battery technology. If Apple and Samsung can figure out how to use batteries that are smaller but store more energy, slim phones could become a lot more popular. A beautiful, lightweight phone that doesn't give up battery life would definitely appeal to many users. What about you? Would you pick a super slim phone even if it meant giving up some battery life? Or do you still think performance and endurance are more important than looks? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you like this update and want to stay tuned for more news on Apple, Samsung, and other tech stories, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video.